Just move one eye. Just the one.
This is giving me a headache.
Good, keep going. How do you expect me to work like this?
Yeah.
Oh, you're ruining, like, how
Well, move your foot.
you just got my foot skin.
I can't believe we're doing this. Honestly, you need to kind of try though. Yeah, we're filming right now. We're filming.
Okay.
Hi guys, and welcome to the Sammy and Shay show. Just kidding. Earlier on this evening, I was telling Sammy how I was gonna go out tonight, and she suggested that she could probably do my makeup in a faster, shorter,
Efficient, but not losing quality.
in the makeup application. So
Yeah.
I couldn't just have that happen with her and I in my bathroom alone, so I thought I'd share it with you guys, and this is where we are. To the point where Sammy even picked out the makeup she
I have a
wanted
kit.
to use.
I brought it in a shoe bag.
I have to go out with this makeup on, so please try your best.
Pinky swear that you'll go out with this makeup.
Your job depends
Saw
on
it
it.
here, folks.
Shall we begin?
Let's begin. Let's
begin.
begin.
Okay, but you can't look at the tutorial. You can't look at that.
I'm not.
right.
I'm gonna face you. Because, you know, I need to do my work.
Okay.
I should have worn a better bra. All right, let's
Tip number
begin.
1, wear a good bra.
Let's begin with a
behind
little
somebody's
micellar
makeup.
water.
Okay. And you're kind of lucky because today I did get my eyebrows done by Kelly Baker, so it's made your job a hell of a lot easier.
I know, I'm just getting off all your dead skin. You know.
With good skin. What's your look that you're doing for today?
Here's what we're gonna do first.
Yeah.
I really like this La Mer concentrate because I don't like starting with some sort of like moisture cream. It seems a little heavy.
All right.
And I'm gonna apply it with this sponge.
Great. Where did you learn some of these tips and tricks that you're gonna be doing?
Well, on the YouTube, I've watched Patrick Ta pretty much my whole life.
Yeah.
I'm putting it on my skin because I want it to be closer to my body temperature.
That's for foundation, but sure, let's just
No, I
do
want
that. Okay.
everything to melt in.
You actually run cold, so this is actually freezing the product, but all
It's
right.
true, I do one really, really cold. Everybody that I've seen on the YouTube does this.
On the YouTube. She said it again.
On the tube.
All right.
All right.
Maybe I'll save it for another video where I tell you everything you're doing wrong, but
Oh, I won't be attending because I don't care that much.
good to know.
This is a serum. And because I couldn't find any eye stuff, I'm just gonna put a little tiny bit under your eye.
Eye stuff meaning eye cream.
Specific eye cream. That I didn't want the creamy eye cream because then it like seems cakey. No. So far, I think I've crushed it. You look
Crushed it. Thank you. I
You look dewy
glowy.
and gorgeous.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna do brows.
Yeah.
I'm gonna brush them out a little.
Do you think that this is something that is usually very tricky for makeup artists?
No, it doesn't. Like, it's how hard is it? There's 2 little caterpillars. Fill them in and keep it moving.
Probably has nothing to do with why Ariel spends 2 hours on each brow, but
I know, he
anyways.
loves to spend so much time. Ariel likes to fill more in from the top, I've noticed, and Patrick likes to fill more in all around.
Okay. And what does Sammy like to do?
Sammy likes to just go with whatever she's feeling.
It's kind of how you feel like color for numbers, like how kids do it, you know, like
Yeah. It's nice because it wipes away.
Okay, so now you're gonna move on to the powder.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just trying to, you know, help the people follow along.
Tap,
if they're
tap,
already-
tap. After the brows, I'm gonna go to foundation.
Okay.
Unlike you skipped right over to concealer, which is so silly because it's like
Well, I used
whatever,
to do that. I don't do that anymore.
whatever you put on, even I knew that, and I only wear concealer, and that's it. I need you to look at me.
What color concealer do you wear? Casper.
No, I believe it's called linen, or if I'm a little tanner,
Snow.
bisque.
Oh, bisque.
Now we're gonna go in with a little tiny bit of,
Brow
a
gel.
little tiny bit of brow gel. That's what
Okay.
they do.
Yeah, but you're not, you keep looking at the monitor.
Oh shit, sorry. That's what they do. We're here to get in, and get out.
Because you know the faster I get ready and get out, then...
Then I get to go home and eat.
All right, how do you
It
think you
looks
did on
great.
this?
It's phenomenal.
Yeah, they're supposed to look like, you know, sisters. I'm not
Yeah.
asking for twins here, but the brows are supposed to look like sisters.
They're
So.
like cousins right now. Really tight cousins, like, you know. So like Frida's cousin.
Oh, Frida's cousin. Great.
I feel happy with those. Maybe
Okay.
we'll come back to them in a little bit. Now what I'm gonna do is a little foundation. What I'm gonna do is add a drop of this to thin out the foundation a little, again, because this is not a red carpet.
All right.
It's a little bit lighter.
Okay.
And it just makes it a little bit a little bit nicer to apply.
Do you feel like a scientist when you use it?
Yes.
Because she's putting it on a palette, as you can see.
That was my major. So we're gonna just tap it on here.
This is foundation, not concealer.
Yeah, I'm tapping it all over your, I'm just using
okay.
the excess that was here. Then I'm gonna use this brush.
How do you pick your brushes?
Because this one says foundation on it.
Ah, there we go, folks.
Hey, will you wet this?
No, you did wet it.
It's not that wet.
That is, it's good. It doesn't need to be dripping. It's just like a little moist.
And then what I'm gonna do is go in with the pointy side. Just take a little bit.
Do you use a beauty blender?
Look at it on my skin. It's gorge. It's this Jersey Shore right there. We painted my whole body.
Were you asked to do the Jersey Shore?
Concealer.
This is the product you said you do use.
I use concealer, and I use a NARS concealer, but it is not ginger medium. So I'm gonna make an upside down triangle.
How long does it take you to do your, literally like when you wake up and you're out the door, how long is that process to get yourself ready?
If I'm making coffee to drink in my car, then it's 6 minutes.
Okay. If I'm making coffee to do in my car,
I'm
then
budgeting
it's
time
6
for the
minutes.
Keurigs. You wanna know what? I'm really good at the skincare portion of this and the prepping and the cleaning of the skin because I love cleaning, but makeup is like cooking, and I don't like cooking.
All right, well, for this segment, you're gonna love it.
You know?
You thought you could do it, so. Oh, what are we doing with this brush now?
No, really? I don't know. I'm actually in my head thinking how I would section your face off like in districts, like the Hunger Games.
So you're sectioning my face off and like that.
Yeah, and like the nose is the capital because that's the money maker like that. You can't screw up that line that I'm gonna put there.
You cannot screw up that line.
Even though I think that contour is witchcraft, I'm gonna do it.
Wait, why is it witchcraft?
Because it makes you look like a completely different person.
Well, thank
That is
goodness
witchcraft.
Okay. I'm doing probably the most terrifying part of this with somebody who doesn't know how to do makeup because you could also add
Luckily
10
for
pounds.
you,
You could add 10 pounds if not done properly, which I feel that you're doing because you're dragging it down.
I'm not dragging shit.
Okay. Language again.
I watched a lot of Bob Ross, and it's like if you don't like something, you just make it a tree or a cloud. And that's kind of what we're doing here. Gorge.
So you feel good about this contour. I look really
I
cut.
feel really, really good about it.
Okay.
All right, let's highlight some shit. Okay, let me see.
Do you know what highlighting does?
Yeah, it creates dimension.
Here we go. That's good. Do you highlight? Do you strobe?
I highlight your audition sides and your itineraries.
That's good.
All the things that I'm supposed to be highlighting.
That's true.
I don't really strobe anything since I lived in New York. We don't have a highlight brush, so we're gonna use this bad boy. Okay, so you have to close your eyes and not
I'm
me.
closing my eyes. I'm standing really still. I'm bracing myself.
Okay.
Please get it straight.
Okay, don't move. We're in
How
twirly chairs.
do you want me to be?
Close your eyes and look right there.
Oh, fuck.
Happy trees. Happy trees. That looks straight.
All right.
Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with this brush right over.
You could use a beauty blender, but just saying.
I mean, I wanted to go with a brush because then I could put my pinky up, but it's fine.
Have you used this before? This highlighting thing?
Yeah,
Okay.
on my arm.
Oh, that looks
This is
really good.
aging nicely. You're not a blush person
No.
per se.
Oh, that's why you didn't bring any.
Which is why I didn't really bring any. I was thinking what I might do is just use a tiny little bit. What brush is this? Blush! I am good at choosing the right brush. This
So-
isn't really blush.
No, it's not.
So,
Actually, a contouring highlight, but anyways.
you know,
Okay.
you use all parts
You
of
really
everything.
killed it with the skin. So
I
shall
really
we move
think
on
I
to the eyes?
crushed. I really crushed it. Yeah, so let's move on to the eyes here. We're gonna use this brush, U57065.
Okay. Are you drunk?
I love makeup tutorials. Okay,
Again, this is not a tutorial. This
sorry,
is
you're right. You're
a
right.
comedy show.
I'm gonna go in with a little tiny bit of this.
What would you call that since
I
you
would-
love naming things?
What I would call this specific one, which is the exact same as that one, I would call it a if you leave hot chocolate in a crock pot, the top congeals slightly. That is that color.
Yeah, but you can't have that on the back of the palette.
I could if you write very small.
You're actually doing not bad in my crease. That's kind of how.
I know. Make sure I look big. Now what I'm gonna do with my finger.
What are we doing with your finger again? Love a finger on my face.
I'm gonna tap it in the center. My hands smell like hummus. Your eyeball feels so crazy.
Well, it does when you're pushing it in like that, but
It's crazy. I've never really felt your eyeball before.
she picked a color that made me look sick, so I
don't
look
think
like
you
I have allergies.
No, we went to the allergist this morning. You don't really have any allergies. Now let's finish with your lip.
Oh,
Then we're
red.
done. Red.
You're feeling very confident in your skills. Have you worn a red lip ever?
Never once in my whole life. Why don't you tell a story while we do this?
No, because I shouldn't talk when you do my lip liner. Genius. Good thing you rock Q-tips.
Yeah, I knew I was gonna be some stuff up.
Okay. Let's not laugh. Let's finish the lip line. All right.
Oh, this is
very
fun.
funny for her.
It's funny when I'm like
Think
not.
about your meal that you're gonna have after this. Now go.
I
Ready?
win. This is the best day of my life.
Yeah, you know red is like very difficult, and makeup artists
It's
don't
like
usually
so
love to do it.
hard. That wasn't that hard, so I don't get it. You look great.
All right,
Can I
now
add a
you're
little-
really gonna come in there with some liquid red if we didn't have it hard enough with the liner and the red pencil.
Oh, this is gonna bring it all. This is gonna bring it all together here.
Have you seen the movie It? Is this reminiscent of it? Because,
I didn't see it.
oh, okay, it's about a clown.
You don't look like a clown.
So out of all the eyeshadows and glitters and sparkles that you could have used, you chose the mattest of all matte palettes.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want to get too like crazy with it.
Do you want to tell the world that you hate sparkles?
I hate sparkles and glitz and glam. I like matte
And
colors.
black. Matte and black.
And black adjacent. So gray, charcoal, gunmetal. Crushed it. Can I go to dinner yet?
We haven't signed off yet, Sam. So are you saying that this is your final?
It's a little scary in real life.
Yeah. So are you thinking that maybe from now on you can't do my makeup like you thought?
It
Not
looks
for
a
you.
lot easier.
Right. She can put mascara on this part of my eye, but it's fine. Anyways, no.
I got scared.
Yeah,
It's
we
scary in there.
didn't contour, didn't really set it, but that's fine.
Oh wait, let me just add this like. But I don't think you look that bad. I think it's not. If you go to somewhere that's like dark, like candlelight.
Going to a party, but
Well then, do you want me to add?
no, we're good. We're good. So this is Sammy doing my makeup.
Thank you
and,
guys so much for tuning in.
How do you think I do it?
How do you think I do it?
Is that how you think I
Click
talk?
here to subscribe. And also, if you go over to my page, you can check out my new trailer. Bye.
Is that how I sound?
Hope you liked it.
Hope you liked it.
If you didn't, I don't care.
I don't really care. I like black. And
I love black.
I
don't
love
like
black.
I
I love black. Thanks, guys. Subscribe. See you next week. What would your sign off be?